Welcome. In front of me is a ULEFONE Armor 21, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So, to get started, you will want to either have very strong fingernails or grab something similar to the SIM ejector, which has a little bit of like a hook. Will make it much easier to pop out the tray, which is in here. So we do first get to pop off this rubber seal right here, and you can see there's a tray. Now, if, like I said, you have good enough fingernails, you can just kind of grab the little lip right here and yoink it out. But if you're struggling with this, you could grab something like this. Just kind of try to hook it and pull it out like so. Now it's a little bit challenging, and this isn't going too well. There we go. My fingernails are strong enough so I can pop it out. I could use something else that would basically allow you to just wedge it out of there. As you can see this, if I bring it up closer. There we go. It has a little bit of a lip right here, so you can just grab it. So anyway, once you get that out on the tray, you have space for 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card. Now you can occupy both of these SIM trays or just one, and if you're planning to use one, it doesn't matter which one. And when you place the cards on the tray, I recommend holding them down like so, as there is nothing holding them in place. So by just pressing them down with your fingers and then inserting into the device, you just give it a little bit of security that they don't pop out of its position. Now, if the tray isn't going back into the device easily, don't force it in there. One of the cards might have just kind of come out of its place and is getting wedged in, so just make sure you take it out, check if everything is fine, and try again. Now, additionally, you don't need to push it all the way in there, because when you close this, it should push the tray fully closed. Now, when the tray is back in the device, these cards should start working right away. Here's my SIM card pin, which I do need to confirm to unlock my SIM card. Huh? Oh, I think I'm popped in one too many. Now, this isn't visible in a camera right now, but let me see if I can find like an angle. No, apparently I can't. There is a literally white on almost white background SIM icon. So if I overblow the hell out of this, no. Oh, there we go. So if I lower it, you can barely see the SIM logo right here. So it's prompting me to confirm my SIM card pin, but for some reason it's not working. I mean, I'm typing in correctly. Now let's just pop it back out and try it again. There we go. Oh, now it's blue. Okay. So not sure what the hell happened there. Ah, and you can see it now unlocked just fine. So the SIM card is working, though it needed to be reinserted for some reason. Something bugged out. And SD card should be working as well, as I do have a notification right here. So both of the cards are working just fine. Now, with that being said, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.